Charbroil Big Easy big basket. It's got a lid right here. This lid has a little hook on it. You can just hook it right here on the side when you're not using it. Also has this type of hook right here, and this is for taking the basket out. You've got a basket right here, and then you've got an inside pot that you can take out to clean, just like this. Okay, so just like that. You've got your burner ring down at the bottom. You can see that. But what you want to do is season it. And so by seasoning, you'll put oil on there and then burn it off after heating it up. But this thing is awesome. Makes food taste amazing. You got your basket right here. You put pretty much anything in there. You can also hang food in there, like drumsticks or ribs or anything like that. Very easy to hook up and very easy to assemble. You got some feet here. You've also got a drip tray down low, just like this for the drippings. So you can take the drippings from about anything and make gravy. Okay, so let's fire this thing up so I can show you how it works. Gas on, and then we'll put this, and there we go. You can see the burners are going, already heating up. You got your igniter down there at the bottom. Okay, so let's put this pot in. The pot is in. Let's see if we can zoom in here and you can see can you actually see the flames going right there? I don't know if you can be able to focus or not. Okay, so it starts heating up. You can start feeling the heat inside. We'll put this pot or this basket in, and then you really only need this cover, this mesh lid, when it's super cold out or if it's really windy out. Otherwise, you don't really even need this mesh lid. You just let your food cook right there. But this thing is awesome. Very easy to hook up with one propane tank. And it's about 10 minutes per pound for turkey. It's 15 minutes for chicken. And you have to read the other specs on it for cooking. But this pot is going to be awesome. Definitely want to move it away because these surfaces get hot. So you want to be away from things like that. But this 2-foot cord is great. And you can connect to bigger tanks as well. But this is the Charbroil Big Easy. It's going to be awesome for cooking food and just about anything that you want. It makes it nice and juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside.